Welcome back to Math Solver 1117, where math become interesting and fun. In today's video, we will solve another Olympiad math problem, that is 2 raised to power x plus 2 raised to power y plus 2 raised to power z equals 200. You have to find the value of x, y and z. To solve this question, we will first consider this original equation, that is 2 raised to power x plus 2 raised to power y plus 2 raised to power z equals 200. Now here we will use an interesting trick, that is we will take the LCM of 200. So we will get, when we divide this by 2, we will get 100. When 100 is divided by 2, we will get 50. When 50 is divided by 2, we will get 25. And 25 is divided by 5, we will get 5. And 5 is divided by 5, we will get 1. So it means we can write 200 as 2 power 3 and 5 square. So 2 power 3, 5 square. So this is an interesting fact, that now we will take 2 raised to power x as common from this. That means we get 1 plus 2 raised to power y divided by 2 raised to power x plus 2 raised to power z divided by 2 raised to power x. That equals 2 raised to power 3 into 5 square. If the multiplication of two factors are equal, that means first factor equals the first and the second one equals the second. So which implies 2 raised to power x equals 2 raised to power 3. When the bases are same, we get the powers are also same. That means x equals 3. Now we will substitute the value here for the other factor, that is 1 plus 2 raised to power y by 2 raised to power x plus 2 raised to power z by 2 raised to power x equals 5 square, that is 25. Now 1 is added here, it will be subtracted. So we get 2 raised to power y by 2 raised to power x plus 2 raised to power y by 2 raised to power x equals 25 minus 1, that is 24. Now in the next step, we will substitute the value of 2 raised to power x. We write 2 raised to power y plus 2 raised to power z divided by 2 raised to power x equals 24. It means 2 raised to power y plus 2 raised to power z equals 24 multiply 2 raised to power x. So 2 raised to power x is equals 2 raised to power 3, since x equals 3. So x equals 3 means we will get 8. So 24 multiply 8. We get 8 4s are 32, 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 3 is 19. That means 2 raised to power y plus 2 raised to power z equals 192. Now we will make another supposition here. We will again take the LCM of, we will write the value of x here, LCM of 192. So when 192 is divided by 2, we will get 2 9s are 18 and 2 6 are 12. Now 2 4s are 8 and 2 8s are 16. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. It means we get 2 raised to power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 raised to power y plus 2 raised to power z equal 2 raised to power 6 into 3. Then in the next step, we will solve this as, we will take 2 raised to power y as common from this, same as we take 2 raised to power x common in the start. So it will become 1 plus 2 raised to power z divided by 2 raised to power y, and that equal 2 raised to power 6 into 3. That means 2 raised to power y equals 2 raised to power 6. So y equals 6. Because when the bases are same, powers are also same. So y equals 6. Now we will solve the last factor, that is 1 plus 2 raised to power z divided by 2 raised to power y equals 3. So 1 is added, it will subtract it. So we get 2 raised to power z, 2 raised to power y equals 2 power 6. So 3 minus 1 is 2. So 2 raised to power z equals 2 raised to power 6 multiply 2 is 2 raised to power 7. So which implies z equals 7. We will write the value of z here. Now in the next step, we will do the verification. Is our answer is correct or not? So in the verification, we will substitute the value of x, y, z in the left hand side and check that equals right hand side or not. So by considering left hand side, that is 2 raised to power x plus 2 raised to power y plus 2 raised to power z. 2 raised to power x means 2 power 3. 2 raised to power y means 2 power 6 plus 2 raised to power 7. 8 plus 64 plus this is 128. So that equals 200. That is the right hand side. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also press the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another interesting Olympiad math problem. On this channel, you will find the complete solution of many board exams, competitive exam, international exams. So visit our channel and subscribe also. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.